Hey guys, to withdraw crypto on Kraken, navigate to your portfolio at the bottom middle, close to the left, and then select your crypto. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see under balance, withdraw, just hit withdraw. Choose the correct network. You will then need to add and confirm a new withdrawal address or select a previous one, right? So enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. Okay, ensure the receiving wallet supports the chosen network and that you have added any necessary tags or memos for a specific cryptocurrency. So say if you are using Phantom Wallet, you're gonna go ahead to the Phantom Wallet to generate an address. Okay, so now I'm trying to withdraw Bitcoin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit receive on Phantom, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just choose Bitcoin, the last one. Copy the address, enter the withdrawal address, add address nickname, and hit right here, add withdrawal address. And then confirm address via email. And once you see the email, just confirm it, as you can see right here. Afterwards, you get into the amount, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.